Okay, so now you've probably finished your PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to learn how to create a video using the free software we downloaded in the last video called Cam Studio. So here's the software we downloaded called Cam Studio. You can do things like, if you go to View, you can compact it and move it out of the way while you're recording, etc. The first thing we need to do though is go up here to Slideshow and just check the slideshow settings. Make sure that under type here, the one that's selected is window and not default. Okay, I'll click OK. Alright, and now we need to start our slideshow. And to select the area that we want to record, we just go to Region and click on Fixed Region and click on Select. And here we can just select the kind of area we want. And we also want to click Fix Top Left Corner. Alright, and now we just select OK. And if we select Record, it should start recording. Okay, and now what you want to do is just read through the PowerPoints. Just go through the bullet points and read them out. For example, muscle building nutrition. The more work you put into something, the better the results you will achieve. This has always been a widely accepted truth that applies to many areas of life. The harder you study, the better the grades you'll achieve. The more time you spend fine-tuning your athletic skills, the better athlete you will become. Alright, and then the last slide will read something like, now go to www.musclebuildingnutrition.com/free for your free video teaching you how to build muscles in 3 days or something like that. Alright, now that you've finished, you just come up here and click stop. And now it's stopped recording, and there's a window that pops up asking you to save it, so just save it as muscle building nutrition. It's a good idea to save it as your keyword, and just click save, and here's your video, and you can play it in this window here and see what it's like. And that's really all it takes to create your own video. And next video we're going to be covering how to upload your video to video sharing sites, and we're going to use YouTube as an example.